So hi everyone, today I'm just going to be doing a vlog in a day in my life kind of video, and it is like 1:30 in the day, but with quarantine, I mean, do any of us really like pay attention to the time? So please ignore the state of me, like I'm really badly burnt. Me and Craig have just been out the back like tanning every single day. So far today I have had breakfast and I just had cookie crisp, nothing entertaining, wouldn't be worth my while videoing, and I'm out of breath because I just came up the stairs. But yeah, I'm gonna be making these like little rice crispy Mars bars, caramelly stuff, and yeah, I'm just gonna video a little bit of that for you guys. So okay guys, so first off, you just need 8 Mars bars. So you guys will need 50 grams of butter. So guys, you're just gonna microwave these for 30-second intervals until it's melted. Do you not know how to do it? Okay, so you just need 100 grams of Rice Krispies. Next, we're just going to chop these up into smaller little bars. Ooh. So now we're just putting the chocolate in for 30-second intervals and mixing in between. Now the chocolate's melted and I just took out the Rice Krispies. So just there now, we put that in the fridge and we're just going to let that harden and basically take it out tonight, and I'll show you guys what it looks like then. For now, I'm just going to scooter over to Craig's, and I think we're just going to sit outside for the day, so I'll show you guys. That grey guinea pig is called Yuri, and that's Rocky. Me and Craig's beautiful little babies. You're so cute. You're so cute, Yuri. Look at that little ear. Are you going to show everyone why they should have guinea pigs and why you are so cute? Yeah? Are you going to show everyone why guinea pigs are so great? What about you, Rockstar? Huh? You're a beautiful little piggies. Whoa. Like this time in like 2 weeks, I was meant to be in like Florida. It's very upsetting. I should have been tanning over there by the pool in the parks every day. But instead, I'm lying on a blanket out the back. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna get comfy now on the blanket. I might bring out my phone and listen to some kind of like motivational podcast kind of thing. That's what I was doing the other day with Craig. It kind of helps the time go by. You know, we definitely don't find sunbathing fun. I feel like bugs are already on me.
Put your hands up. So I'm gonna go right, left, right, right, and then I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna duck, and then I'm gonna go body shot. But I'm not gonna really hit you in the body, okay?
Okay.
You ready?
No, it was left, right, right or something.
No, it was right, left, right, right, go around.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna hit you in the body.
Okay, again. My mom said we're gonna ship your armpits. I said no, fuck off. Just put my camera! Where's them hands?
Wow.
Not bad.
That was good. Ay! Ay!
You're not gonna get anywhere, dude.
I was gonna hold your legs.
No, don't do that. Me and Craig haven't actually sunbathing yet because it's just so boring. So what we've kind of done was just like some yoga messing, and then we did some handstands and like cartwheels. We did like a 2-second run of boxing. So out Craig's back garden. Out Craig's back garden, there'll just be loads of little robins that come down and like sit at the fence. get them out. There just be loads of little robins that come down and sit on the fence, and it's just really cute. And I went to get a video. Just oil in my yeah, and these little robins would come down, and it's just very cute. So a video a day in my life, and spent with you, yeah. I just wanted to film the robins. They're very cute, but I didn't get to film them there.
Sundance and a Big Bang.
So Craig, what's 5 things? What do you want to do in the next 5 years?
What do I want to do in the next 5 years? I'm going to be a wrestler. I'm going to do shows as soon as coronavirus is over, wrestling shows. I'm going to get built, I'm going to make some money. I'm going to go to Florida. I'm going to be the best guinea dad. What is that?
No, I didn't ask you to do 5 things. I said just where do you see yourself in the next...
We're going to have our own house. I'm going to be driving Tesla. And I'm just going to be fly traveling wrestling.
Okay.
Where do you want to be? I want to still live with my nanny because I'm a lady.
Stop with the cursing, I can't have that in.
Your ma and nanny don't want you in the house, and neither does mine, so we need to go. We need to move out. So we just brought the guinea pigs outside. They're in the shade because in the sun it's too hot for them. And we just have them under a lid that their old cage used to be when they were little babies and before we were educated on how big of a space they need. So yeah, they're gonna join us. Craig's over there, he's catching the sun rays, trying to get tan. Rocky, what's here? Say hello. So this is just what we're doing outside as a little family. Oh, you up there? Hi. Oh, are you happy, Yuri? Are you popcorning? Popcorning is the thing they do when they're happy. They just like pop everywhere and go crazy. Oh. So Craig just made some chicken noodles there. Go away. There's no fucking taste off these.
Flavorless. Flavorless. That is a sleepy guinea. So me and Craig are playing this because we're Marvel fans.
Iron Man.
Panther. Shocked Pool. Deadpool.
Yeah, good one.
Ah! Ant-Man. Ant-Man. Captain Marvel?
No. No, it's...
Star Queen. Is that a thing?
Star-Lord.
Star-Lord. Star-Lord. Star-Lord. Marvel Cinematic. Rocket. Black Widow. Superman? No. Superman's not Marvel. Captain Britain. So I just scooted home from Craig's and now I'm saying hello to my big baby. Oh my god. The other baby. Gizmo, say hello. Oh, say hello. What about you? You say hello? Ah, hello. So cutesy babies. So I'm just outside Super Value now. My mom's gone in to grab a pepper and then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna make pizza toasties. Craig's noodles were disgusting. I mean, I had one spoonful, there was just no flavour. I mean, he said it himself. So I just took this out of the fridge, the Rice Krispies with chocolate that we made earlier, and I'm just gonna have some now. Delish. Guys, so good. So now I'm just going back over to Craig's and I'm just gonna spend time with him and the guineas. So me and Craig are just sitting out his back garden now trying to see this rocket that you can apparently see. Elon Musk's rocket, I think. So we're just out here trying to find it, but clearly one is struggling. We haven't seen it, but he said that people on Twitter are able to see it, but
People on Twitter.
But no sign of it for us over here. We don't even know if it's meant to be going in the direction of the moon or what, so we're kind of just looking for it. Any sign of it?
Like, how are we supposed to look at the whole sky? You know what I mean?
I don't know. He's frustrated.
Right, check my phone and see what people are saying. Guinea grass, maybe you wouldn't have seen
Wow, so we just went to go and pick some grass from the guinea pigs, and then we found it. You're not able to see that from Craig's house. And he's so
Zoom in
happy. There you go.
So Florida's that way. I think that I can leave Florida in 10 minutes and we have to travel for 9 hours. That's what I'm saying.
So we're just back outside now because
Oh my god! Put the camera down.
I'm vlogging the day of my life.
Look
How many
at her
times
t-shirt.
will
Look
I
at her
say
t-shirt.
it?
She's even ready for the spaceships and
Oh.
space people.
So we're just back out. So we're just back outside to try to see this goddamn rocket again. Even though we caught it on camera already, we're gonna try again. So guys, that's kind of the end of my day. I'm just back from Craig's. We ended up not seeing any rocket. So goodbye, and I'll see you in the next vlog video.